gotta say stuff. You can't just move. Hey guys, it's Nick, the health insurance guy. I just set up my new brick wall in my new apartment. My nephew's gonna come in. His name is Braylon, and he's going to describe this product here. He didn't know what to do, but he wanted to make a little video. So I'm gonna have him describe this little cup here, and then we're gonna put it on. You'll be able to see what he does.
What's up, guys? So we're gonna do some fun ideas. So this is a cup where you can put anything in it, or you can put ice, and you can open it like this. Then you can close it back. And this is golden and it has a bear right there. You just can't see it. And you can open it like this. And then you need to wash it when it's all done. You really need to get this because it's so cool. Because maybe it's your favorite color.
Okay, so my youngest nephew had so much fun doing this that my older nephew wants to make a little video explaining another product. So he's going to explain how this little timer works that I have. I use it at work to keep myself productive with time management.
So I'm going to show you a product that you'll probably want. And here it is. There's all these numbers on it, so you can choose with turn off. See, if you turn on the side like this, and then you want the number on top, and then you have to turn on the side, the number facing up, then it will time that. So that number, and you can know how much the time. There's 5, there's 15, there's 30, and there's 60. If you want to bake something and you don't have a timer anywhere, you don't have your phone, but you could buy this and you can have this. When the timer goes off, you have to turn it, and then the blank side has to face down, and also the top face up with no number on it, no number at all. This is why you want to buy this.
Well, thanks for watching the video of my nephew. He sure was excited to get behind the brick, in front of the brick wall, and shoot a little video. I told him I'm going to start making all these fun videos on camera, and so they're kind of excited about doing it too. Anyway, just remember that I do sell health insurance. If you need health insurance, especially this time of year during open enrollment, now is the time to contact me. You have until December 15th to get health insurance through the marketplace. If you wait longer than that, you're not going to get coverage for 2019 unless you move, get divorced, you get married, you have a death in the family, something like that. So you have to have that special circumstance after December 15th, okay? So especially if you're sick, call me now. If you're not sick, still call me and we'll see if we can still get you something good, okay? All right, Nick the Health Insurance Guy signing out.